डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम 15 चैप्टर 7th क्लास के लिए करेंगे विजुअलाइजिंग सॉलिड शेप्स, जिसमें हम सबसे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन पर आएंगे। वी विल कम फर्स्ट ऑन इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द चैप्टर नंबर 15, that is visualizing solid shapes. In our daily life, we see several objects like books, balls, ice cream, cones, etc. around us, which have different shapes. One thing common about most of these objects is that they all have some length, breadth, and height or depth. They all occupy space and have three dimensions. Now we will come on plane figures. These are two-dimensional shape. We have studied about these shapes in previous classes, like that the triangles, square, circle. Now the figure which we can draw on a flat surface are called plane figures. Those figures which we can draw on flat surface, they are known as the plane figures. They have two dimensions, that is length and breadth. Hence these are called two-dimensional shapes. For example, triangle is also a two-dimensional shape. Square is also a two-dimensional shape. Circle is also a two-dimensional shape. Now we have to come to the next solid figures, three-dimensional figure. The figures which have three-dimensional, that is length, three-dimensional means length, breadth, height, they are called three-dimensional shape, and they occupy some space. Like, for example, we can say ball, box, cylinder, birthday cap, etc. For example, like the figure which is like a ball, that is called the sphere. Cylinder, you see in your daily life these figures, and pyramid also. Now we come on next to match the shape with the name. Now we know the cuboid. We have to see the figures cuboid, that is such type of the figure is known as the cuboid. It is length, it is breadth, and it is height. It means this is called L, this is B for breadth, and this is H. This is H. Length, breadth, and height are not same of a figure, that is called three-dimensional figure which have different length, breadth, and height is known as the cuboid. Now we come on cylinder. This such type of the figure is called figure. This is a cylinder. We have to match the figure, and it is the sphere. It is also like that the ball, and We come on cone, this is cone, like that the birthday cap and pyramid. These all figures are three-dimensional shape. So we have to study about the three-dimensional shape. Now we come first of all, these three-dimensional shape have the faces, edges and vertices. Now we have to come on faces, edges and vertices. All the flat surfaces of three-dimensional figure are the faces of that shape. The faces of the three-dimensional shape are made by the 2D shape. Means two-dimensional shape से ये बनी होती है मिलकर के थ्री-dimensional shape. आप देखते हैं in our daily life like that the box ले लिया like that we take like a that is a duster. It is cuboid. This is length, this is breadth and this is height. So this three-dimensional shape cuboid has faces. It is two-dimensional surface that is length and breadth. It is two-dimensional shape. It means each three-dimensional surface is made up by the two-dimensional faces. These are called the faces. It has like that the duster has 6 faces, 1, 2 back, third space, 4, 5 and 6. These are the faces. Now we come on edges, the line segment where the faces of the three-dimensional shape meet with each other are the edge of the shape. These are called the edges of the shape and we can say like that the duster, this is as length, it is called the as, second as, this is breadth, this is third as, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 and 12. These are the 12 edges. The line segment where the faces of the three-dimensional shape meet with each other are the edges of the shape. Now we come on vertices. The corner or the points where the edges meet with each other are the vertices of three-dimensional shape and the singular form of the vertices is called the vertex. Now we come on the next. It is a cuboid. It has 3. Now we come on faces. It is face. This is first face. This is face. Second face. And bottom is the third. And this is top is the fourth. And now this back of this 5 and back of this surface is 6. It has a cuboid has 6 surfaces or faces. Now edges, these are the edges 1, this is 1 edge, this is 2 edge, this is 3, this is 4 and ये 5 हो गई, this is 5 edge, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 8, 9, 10 and it is 11. ये 11 एजेज हो गई. इसके बाद जो एज है हमारी, दिस इज 11 एंड दिस ये वाली जो सरफेस है दिस इज 12, this edge is 12, this edge is 12. It means it has 12 edges. Now we come on vertex. This is, it means corners of the three-dimensional shape is called the as the vertex. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and this is 8. It has 8 vertices. Now the next topic, it is figure drawn on paper which have only length, breadth and are called two-dimensional shape. That is plane figure. It is, these are called the plane figure, like that the circle. Circle is two-dimensional shape. It is not a sphere like that the ball. It has which has which is three-dimensional shape, but circle is two-dimensional shape. A rectangle, this is a rectangle and this is a circle. This figure is called circle. It is a rectangle and square. Square in next topic, this is a triangle. It is triangle. And now the next, this is square, this is square and this is the quadrilateral. It is quadrilateral. Now we have to come on the next number of faces, edges and vertices in some common three-dimensional shape. Now cube, it is a cube, has 6 faces. We know we have to count in the last figure, that is in cuboid we have also count. It has the 6 faces and 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now cuboid also has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now cone has 2 faces. First is this and second is this. That is one edge and one corner, it means vertices. Now we have to come on next sphere. Now we come on sphere, that is like a ball and it is a sphere, has one face and one edge and 0 vertices. It has no vertices. Cylinder 3 faces हैं, 1, this is 2 and this is 3 surfaces. Now 2, it has 2 edges and 0 vertices. It has 6 faces and 8 edges. 8, these are edges, 1, this is 2, this is 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and back 8 and 5 vertices. It means a square. It is a square, base is a square, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are, these are the face vertices and one vertex is this. Now we come on next. Next, for building three-dimensional shape, we will study of the nets. If we draw the structure on the two-dimensional form and fold it to make a three-dimensional shape, then it is said to be the net of that figure. Now different figures have a different type of the nets. We can open a three-dimensional shape from its as is to get the net of that figure. A net is short skeleton in two-dimensional shape which when folded result in three-dimensional shape. नेट एक हमारा टू डायमेंशनल स्ट्रक्चर होता है, स्केलेटन होता है. जब उसको हम फोल्ड करेंगे तो हमको थ्री डायमेंशनल शेप मिलेगी. वी गेट थ्री डायमेंशनल शेप. नाउ वी कम ऑन द नेक्स्ट नेट्स ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर प्रिज्म. it is a rectangular prism like that. इसको हमने फोल्ड किया. जब इसको फोल्ड करेंगे तो वी गेट द नेट ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर प्रिज्म. दिस इज ए रेक्टेंगुलर प्रिज्म. नाउ दिस फेस, नाउ whenever we open this face will come back also. this come and इसकी जो बैक है वो आगे आ जाएगी. और ये दोनों जो एजेज हैं, दिस एज एंड बॉटम, दीज आर द बॉटम. दिस इज बॉटम एंड दिस इज द टॉप. नाउ वी नेट ऑफ द प्रिज्म. दिस इज ए प्रिज्म. It is square figure and these are the triangles, four triangles. Whenever we combine this nets and all the figures two-dimensional shape, then we get the three-dimensional shape of pyramid. Now we come on net of the cylinder. This surface is this and the top is this and this bottom is this surface. Now net of the cone. This is a cone. It is a cone. This surface is like this and 3/4 of the circle and it is a circular. This base is circular. Now we come on next drawing solid on a flat two-dimensional representation of three-dimensional shape. As we know that the three-dimensional shape are the shapes which occupy some space, but we can draw the three-dimensional shape on the flat surface also by some technique, and this is called a visual illusion. Now of oblique sketches. When we draw a shape in such a way that we are not able to see some of the faces of three-dimensional shape and size of the length is called also not equal, but we are able to recognize that this is a cube when this is called an oblique sketch. Now these are the nets. This is a net of a cube. It is a cube. Whenever we have to fold these surfaces, then we get, when this surface is folded like this and this surface is folded like this and this is also folded like this and this is folded like this, then we get a box, three-dimensional shape, and these are the surfaces of which are made up by two-dimensional shape. Now we come on the next. Now we have to come on the exercise 15.1. So we see the figure like that. Second figure solution. Whenever you will find the figure in a book questions, then 1 3 2 4 5 6. This is a second solution, and we will make the figure. We get the cubes of figure number 2, 3, 4 and 6. These are nets are can be used to make a cube. Now we come on the next. If one pair of the opposite faces, third question है आपका, if one pair of opposite faces will have 1 and 4 on them, then their total does not come. It means जो हमारा थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, that was if you see a dice opposite the sum of the opposite faces which are on the surface of the dice that are marked are 1 and 4, and the sum will be 7. Like that, we have to observe on the faces of a dice that if top has 3 and bottom will have 4, then the sum will come 7. If we take 3 and 6 on the opposite faces of the die, then the total does not come 7. Hence this cannot be the net of a die. इसलिए die का net नहीं होगा. Now there are 3 faces in the given net. जो हमारा 4 क्वेश्चन है उसमें 3 faces होंगी given net में. Now we come on the next question है आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. we have the nets like this. We fold this to above, and this is above and this is above. Like that we fold to this and like that, and this will become the top. And these are the sides of a cube. These are the sides and these are the sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the faces of side shape, and it will make the top of the cube. So these are the net like this. It is also a net of the cube. Now last question is that make the nets appropriate solids. This is the net of a cube. This is the net of a